Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to add password on RAR file. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, as you can see, this is my RAR file and it doesn't have any password. So to add password, go to Tool tab and click on it, then click on Convert. Once this window open, click on Compress, then go to Set Password and click on it. So you must have to insert a new password, then type your password again on the second dash. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then press Yes. Now click on Save, then hit OK. Then close this tab. So now, as you can see, when I open my RAR file, it will ask you for password. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.